Kumakain ka ba ng pipino? Watch this. Ang pipino ay may 95% of water. Kaya naman, this is good for hydration. But apart from that, nakakatulong din ito to make your skin glow at mainam din ito para sa inyong gut health. Ang 100 grams ng pipino ay meron lamang approximately 15 calories. Low calorie, high hydration. Mainam ito if you're managing your weight, you want to do detox, and you want to have glowing skin. Ang pipino ay rich in flavonoids, tannins, at caffeic acid. Kaya naman, meron itong anti-inflammatory at antioxidant properties. It helps neutralize free radicals, slows collagen breakdown, and supports skin barrier health. At ang balat ng pipino, meron itong beta-carotene, silica, at vitamin K. Ito ay mga nutrients that help collagen synthesis. Kaya naman, mainam na kainin mo ang balat nito. Ang buto naman ng pipino ay rich in fiber, magnesium, at phytosterols. Great for gut health, cholesterol balance, at makakatulong din to smoothen your digestion. Remember, healthy gut equals glowing skin. So don't remove the cucumber seeds. Ayon din sa mga pag-aaral, bukod sa caffeic acid, meron din itong ascorbic acid. So it helps with puffiness, dark circles, and inflammation. Kaya favorite itong ingredients sa soothing gels and eye masks. Best ways to enjoy cucumber? Simple cucumber salad. Dagdagan lamang ng vinegar, pepper, and a little bit of sugar. You can also be creative with your pepino salad. Enjoy cucumber with your water as well. Add lemon, mint, or calamansi. Green smoothie.